Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now look at these two numbers that have very high exponents and we have to calculate that which number is bigger, right? So let's see, look at the trick that we are going to follow to find out the bigger number. 30 to the power 11 or 16 to the power 14. Now let's consider that 16 to the power 14 is equals to, as you know that 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 14. Now multiplying these exponents, you can write it as 2 to the power 56. Now this 2 to the power 56 is greater than 2 to the power 55, right? Further, you can write this 2 to the power 55 as 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 11. This 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32 to the power 11. Now this 32 to the power 11 is bigger than 30 to the power 11. Now this 32 to the power 11 is greater than 30 to the power 11. Now this implies that 16 to the power 14 is greater than 30 to the power 11. I hope you like the tricks.